Introducing the MX Vertical Power and Data Pole, a smart, space-efficient solution designed to power modern workspaces. Built with precision, the MX Power Pole features dual compartments that clearly differentiate between power and data connections, ensuring complete safety and organization. To install, first secure the pole between the ceiling and floor. Connect it to the power supply, then fasten it firmly using the long screws on both ends at the ceiling and the floor to ensure a stable and secure fit. Engineered for flexibility, safety, and seamless integration, it's the perfect link between floor and ceiling connectivity. The pole's modular structure allows easy customization based on workspace requirements. But that's not all. For spaces where floor installation isn't possible, MX brings you the ceiling mount power post, a compact ceiling-only variant designed for areas with floor obstacles or tight spaces. This short and stylish version offers all the same smart connectivity, power and data combined, without any floor contact, ensuring zero interruption to your workspace design. Every connection is engineered for reliability and seamless customization. Universal sockets, 6/13 amperes. Indian standard sockets, 6 amperes. ISI approved. Indian power socket, 6/16 amperes. ISI approved. UK sockets, 6/13 amperes. USA socket, 15 amperes. French socket, 16 amperes. German Schuko socket, 16 amperes. USB C+C 68 watt PD GAN support fast charging. USB A+C 12 watt to 35 watt PD GAN charging. RJ45 Cat6/Cat6 A port. HDMI port 4K. We provide this power pole in 3 model, 1-way, 2-way, quadruple way. Available colors black and white.